So after going through multiple house hunting websites, making multiple calls, fighting over brokers, I finally finalized a PG that matches all my vibe, and all thanks to Ghadpe. Now let's talk about heart of your stay, your room. Because let's be real, if you're leaving your house, especially your room, and coming to a new city, of course you will be looking for somewhere where you can feel like home. So when I shifted to Bangalore, everyone was talking about weather over here. Though I don't know why currently, but no one, not even a single person talked about how difficult it is to find a good PG over here. After scrolling multiple websites, multiple house hunting and lots of confusion, I finally finalized a PG which matches my vibe. So if you're someone who is planning to shift to Bangalore, then this video is for you. Watch it till the end. So I came across Ghadpe, the one who not only claims to offer you PG but also claims to offer you a complete home-like experience. Ghadpe is for everyone. It is not only for girls, it is for boys, co-living girls, whether you're a student or working professional, Ghadpe is for you. Don't waste your college years in boring PGs. Come to Ghadpe Boys PG where you will get good food, gaming zone and a fun family-like vibe. Why not? Dull room with broken Wi-Fi, hidden charges and overpriced meals. Zero social spaces and events. Unhygienic bathroom, tasteless food and crowded rooms. They not only have proper 24/7 security but also room with proper ventilation as well as hygienic bathroom. They also offers you 4-course meal, that is breakfast, lunch, dinner and evening snacks. So Ghadpe is here which provides you flat of your preferences, affordable price and just how you need. एक अच्छा घर ढूंढना बहुत मुश्किल है, but दोस्तों के बिना रहना और भी ज़्यादा मुश्किल है. इसलिए Ghadpe brings you good place, affordable price, cozy living room. You have a cute modular kitchen. You have all the things that you need for cooking. You have a basin over here. You have RO water, microwave, induction cooker and everything, rice cooker and all. So we have 100 plus flat available in Bangalore, whether it's Koramangala, Whitefields, HSR, BTA, Marathali, no matter wherever you're looking flat. If you're looking for 1 BHK, 2 BHK, 3 BHK, no matter whatever is your preferences, we got all sorted for you. You just need to call us and mention whatever you need and we will reach out to you and give you the best possible flat. You also need some entertainment in your life, right? That's why we have got everything sorted for you. Here you have foosball, table tennis, and also there is a sitting space over here where you can sit and gossip with your friends and also have some snacks if you want. Also there is a sofa over there. There's a huge sofa where all of your friends can sit and gossip and have fun also. So if you're a student who is looking for a PG, whether you're a girl, boy or co-living, doesn't matter. Just if you're looking for a PG or if you're shifting to Bangalore and took admission in this college, so we have the best PG shortlisted only for you. Watch this video till the end. The most important thing which I look for when I'm taking a PG is whether I'm having proper ventilation or not. So here you can see the proper ventilation is provided along with mosquito net is over here. So I thought PG is all about getting a bed, coming from work and going out to sleep. But भाई यहाँ तो पूरा lifestyle ही upgrade हो रहा है. एक PG मतलब ये नहीं होता है that you are getting just one bed to sleep. For me, PG is like getting a comfortable bed, a place to study, and most important, a place which feels like home. So let's see how Ghadpe makes this experience perfect, which is much different from your hostel nightmare. Come, let's check it out. So this is a room where you're going to stay. You can use this as your private room also, or you can share with your friend also, according to your preferences. Moving forward with the bathroom over here, you have well maintained clean bathroom. You can see the bathroom is really big and is really spacious. It's like hotel like bathroom. You're getting showered and all the qualities over here are very premium. So as you enter this room, you can see this room is really spacious, and when I say it is spacious, I mean it. You can just come and visit and see on your own. This is premium flat like PG, where you are getting two separate bed over here. As you can see, you're getting a proper ventilation over here which comes with a mosquito net, and you also get a blackout curtain to maintain your privacy. Two separate study tables for you and for your roommate. Also, one more thing I forgot to mention you. If you're looking for a PG which has metro connectivity, then this is the one. Whether you're looking for private, single, double sharing, triple sharing, whatever your preferences are, we have all types of PGs available for you. You just need to call or WhatsApp us in this given number and we will share all the details that you need. Guys, what do you think? Fully furnished room, homely cooked meals, 24/7 security, and also the most important thing, 2 minutes walking from Christ University Yeshwanthpur campus. So you're getting all these facilities at one place, at one go, at a very affordable price, only at Kharpe. All you need to do is just WhatsApp us or call us at this giving number and we will share all the details that you need. Come stay with us. We are waiting for you.